my channel Versus Sunshine. I'm Ashley and today I'm going to be doing some Halloween inspired DIY craft projects. These are all like super easy, can throw together really quickly, like last minute. You can put these together. They're so easy. These are like the simplest of craft projects. So let's just get into these projects. Let's go. We're gonna start with this super cute, super simple ghost candy bowl. These are so cute. I love the little ghosties. So I'm gonna show you how I do it. First, you're gonna get a candy bowl. I got this at the Family Dollar for just $1. I'm gonna take a measure tape and I'm just gonna use this to measure about how big I want my ghosties to be. I just eyeballed it. I think I did like 2 inches per ghost, but you can make these however big you want. I did just make these on my Cricut. I just went and found some Google images of some simple ghosts online, and I just put them into my Cricut app and I cut them out. So check out Google and check out Pinterest. You can find tons of cute little ghosties on there. I'm going to take some transfer tape and I'm just going to take my little ghost bodies and I'm going to place them onto my bowl, and I'm going to go all around the bowl, kind of staggering them around and making them look kind of scattered. Now this, because they are ghosts and they are simple, I only used white vinyl and black vinyl, which made this so super easy that you could do this last minute right before a party. Once I get all of my ghosties put on there, I'm going to put on their faces. I have 2 different style of faces. I picked one that had a smiley face and then one that had like a surprised face, and I just thought it was super cute to kind of alternate them. So that is what I did. So I just went in with my transfer tape, adding faces to all of my little ghosties. I'm seriously kind of obsessed with how this turned out. I absolutely love this bowl. I don't know, there's just something about it. It's so stinking cute with the little happy ghosts. This would make a cute fruit bowl or a great bowl for a party, for chips, or even for a candy bowl for trick-or-treat night. Next, we're going to be doing these super simple Halloween candles. This is kind of like Ray Dunn inspired. It's super cute and I love how they turned out, and they are so simple. So I'm going to start with a pillar candle. I got this at the Dollar Tree. You can get different colors. I really liked the orange. I used my tape measure and I measured about how tall and how wide I would want my words to be. Again, you can make these as tall or as wide as you want. I'm going to go into my Cricut app and I'm going to type in the word Halloween. I really wanted to do one that said happy and one that said Halloween, but for some reason I decided to make 2 that said Halloween. So for the fonts, the skinny font is a very popular one, but I really like the cookies and milk font, so that is the one I'm going to go with. But the skinny is also a great font for this. I'm going to size this the size I need it to be for my candles, and then I'm going to cut it out of vinyl. I'm going to use white vinyl for my black candle, and I'm going to use black vinyl for my orange candle. Once I get these cut and weeded out, I'm just going to place them on my candle. It is that simple. These are so cute. I'm obsessed with how these come out. You can make these say whatever you want. I just thought the Halloween was very cool and spooky, and it just makes a great decoration. These are for decorative purposes, but you could totally light these candles up if you wanted to. I repeated that for the black one using white font, and I just love how these come out. They are so cute. Finally, we have this super easy little spider bowl decor. I'm going to show you how I use this 2 different ways, as a candy bowl and just as a decorative piece. So I got this little spider at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. I can't believe I found it. It was like crammed up under some stuff. I was so excited. I also got this little fishbowl vase at the Dollar Tree for $1.25, and this is pretty much all you're basically going to need for the most part. So I'm going to take my little bowl, it perfectly fits in the spider, and I'm going to hot glue this in there. Now this is totally optional, you can just set it in there, and you could also even spray paint your spider if you wanted it a different color. I just really liked the original color of the spider, so I left it alone. I did glue my bowl into the spider just to make it a little more sturdy and a little more stable. And now I'm going to show you how I'm going to make this creepy, like, spider egg looking decor piece. I'm going to take some cotton balls. These are just cheapo cotton balls. And I'm just going to kind of shred them up into little teeny tiny pieces, just to kind of make them go farther and to make them look a little more like spider eggs or like spider webs. And I'm just going to cram this all into the bowl, which is kind of like the butt of the spider. And I'm just going to keep ripping these up until pretty much all of the edges are filled, but I did leave a gap down in the middle. So now I have this little votive candle I got at the dollar store, and I'm just going to stick it in the center so it kind of lights up. It gives a little spooky aspect to the eggs or the webs, and it turns out super cute. I think this turned out so cool. But if you don't want to use it for that, it also makes a super cute candy bowl. Just wash out the bowl first. You can add whatever candy you like, but I am adding candy corn, as you can see here, and it makes a super cute candy bowl. I just think it turned out so cute, and it is so easy to make. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see every time I post a new video. I do lots of crafts and DIYs mostly, but I do a little bit of other things too. You can check out my channel and see all the different kinds of content I create. I hope you subscribe, and I will see you next time.